Hello, my name is Paul Schrum. Welcome to a brief description of a toy project I carried out in June and July of 2013, intended to teach myself how to work with 3D objects and their visualization. The functionality and the data were made up just so that I could have a clear goal to work towards as I learned the various foundational concepts of visualizing data in 3D. Here are the resources I had. First, I depended a lot on the book 3D Programming for Windows by Charles Petzold. Second, I started my own code by copying code from a website, WPF 3D Primer by Dario Solera. Third, I likely made heavy use of Stack Overflow and Microsoft documentation on the web to help me figure things out. The result is the DataTicker 3D Viz project, which you may find on my public GitHub page if you would like to view it or try to run it yourself. As you can see here, this activity was mostly done in July and June of 2013. Now, before I run the demo, I want to explain to you what you will be seeing. The code loads data from a text file. In this case, it is a CSV file and interprets one column, the leftmost column, as the time value, and the other columns are interpreted as Y values. It loads the data into the model and then plots the data into 3D view such that time is along the x-axis of the view, the data is along the vertical axis, and multiple tickers are placed moving back into the 3 space. After the data is loaded, the user may then inspect the data from different vantage points by using the keyboard, either to slew around in the virtual world or to fly through it. Now for the demo, I'll start off in Microsoft Visual Studio. You are seeing some of the camera handling code here. When I start the program, the 3D view is in black, but I can load the data by opening the pop-up menu on the left and selecting Open Sine Wave Data. And there is the data. When you note that the color changes gradually and then jumps, that is because I have a directional light in the 3D world that is rotating. I can now use certain keys to slew. I can slew up or down, left or right, and forward and backward. I can also use other keys to move the camera angle down or up, left or right, and then I can use other keys to put a velocity onto the camera, allowing me to use the up and down keys to basically fly the camera through the data. You can see here that one of the ticker on the left is the sine wave, and the ticker on the right was the cosine wave, or maybe it was the other way around. So this ends the demonstration. If you have questions or would like to discuss, please talk with me about it when you see me around the building or email me. Thank you.